Welcome back to Talking Stocks. We've got a pretty decent rally holding on Wall Street. Our guest this hour is Eugene Profit of the Profit Funds. He's taking your phone calls and emails. And we are heading out to Michigan. John, you're on the line. Thanks for calling.
Oh, thanks for taking my call. Yes, I would like to know what your long and short-term view is on Walt Disney.
Yes, I like Walt Disney. I think it's had a pretty good run up here, but it owns ESPN, which is sort of an unknown or an unfound revenue source for it. The theme parks are doing extremely well. People are visiting the parks in great numbers. So in the short term, you might see it settle in here a little bit. It has had a good run up, but long term, it's a good core holding.
Okay, now we're also taking your emails this hour. We've got an email from Harry in Melbourne, Florida, asking about Lucent, specifically that Lucent bought a stake in a company called TerraBeam. He's wondering if this represents hidden value for Lucent long-term, what your view is.
Yeah, I would be a buyer of Lucent here. I think they had a strong second quarter. There's some concern that they're not competing effectively against Nortel. They bought a company called Chromatus, which is going to be a little bit dilutive to earnings over the next couple of quarters. But I think Lucent is one of those franchise growth type names that you can buy when it's out of favor, which we like to do, and hold it for some period of time. And I think you'll be well rewarded here.
And if you look at that chart, I mean, the stock is right near its low.
That's right
here.
Right. And unless you think Lucent is going out of business, they're not going to participate in optical networking. There's some discussion that they might spin off some of their microelectronics businesses, the semiconductor portion of their business. And I think they might do that and use that cash to make themselves strong in a wireless space. I think they'll begin to compete a lot more effectively against Nortel.
Okay. We're going to take a break here. We'll have more with Eugene Profit and a live report from the New York Stock Exchange. That's when Talking Stocks continues right after this.